Hi, my name is Johnson, and this is my car dealership. And my goal was to learn how to use 2 classes for a project. I programmed a project to sell cars digitally, and made it to set the budget to 10 million, I guess. I used this statement, which gets the variable of the class, and I also used return statements to set the variable of the class. Other things I used was for loops, while loops, and if statements. I tested about 5 times. I had no problems. If I had more time on this project, I would add more cars at a working place to make more money, and I would add a test drive function. Demo. Okay. So if I choose Bugatti, okay, and since it's number 6, there, but it's from 0 to 9, so basically it's number 6. So now how many left? 9, 7, and then once I just run out of money, I'm just gonna spin the Bugatti. Okay, so now since I have 0 cash, so it will say I ran out of cash, and it would show how much cars I bought.
How many Bugattis did you buy?
Huh?
How many Bugattis did you buy?
39. So,
10 million. Aren't you rich?
okay, so yeah, any questions?
You're filthy rich, totally.
Any questions, guys?
Yeah.
What else would you do if you had more time?
Like I said in the presentation, I would add more cars,
Anything else?
and also I would add like a working function where when if you want to work, and if I say yes, then it will just make you more money, and then
Okay.
you can buy even more cars. And there is also a test drive function, something like you can test the car. Yeah.
Would you like to sell your cars?
Sure. Yeah, of course. Yeah, to make more money, yeah. And to get more expensive cars.
Sure. Alright, any other questions? Anyone? Alright, give me a round of applause, guys.